Hello, Period 9. This is part 2. So we've written our code. We implemented the code for our compute button event and basically implementing this algorithm. So we basically have told the program, hey, you're going to go to the txt final control and you're going to change the text property. And you're going to assign it to whatever is on the right side. So first thing the program will do when it gets to this line of code is it's going to evaluate what the right side is. So wherever it sees NutOriginal.value, it's going to go and grab whatever the value is currently of NutOriginal and put it in place of these words. So let's say NutOriginal was 10, it would take that 10 and put it here. And then it would put the 10 here again, and it would come here to NutDiscount value, and whatever that number is, let's say it's 0, it'll put the 0 here. And then once it has numbers in all those places, it will do the math. And so if it were 10, 10, and 0, you would basically have 10 minus 10 times 0, or 0. So this would all equate to 10, and that would get assigned to the text property of txt_final. And that would get updated. So I'm going to click my Save All button. I'm going to click Start. And I'm going to use our test data here. So we said let's go to 100. So I'm going to click up to 100. Just hold down. And at 100, go to 10%. And I'm going to click Compute. And I get 90. Okay, so I got 90, which is right. So now I'm going to hit my Reset button. So it's Reset. I'm going to do 50. Now I can just overtype. I don't have to use the arrows. So I'm going to type in 50 there. And I'm going to type in 0 here, leave 0. Click Compute, and we get 50, which is right. Click my Reset button. One more. I'm going to type in 274.38 and 18%. Click Compute. Now I get 224.99, which is what we thought we would get, only I got a little bit extra. I'm not going to worry about that little bit extra. We're going to talk about how we can get rid of that in the future, but we're not going to worry about that right now. But it looks like it worked. So I'm going to click my Reset button. And now I should also test the other properties of my forms, like the min and the max. You know, we set a minimum and a maximum. So notice this isn't going below 0. I could click the maximum. I forget what we set the maximum up to, but I could check that out. Here the maximum was 100. If I click this down and hold it, it doesn't go past 100. Shouldn't go below 0. So it looks like everything's working. I'm not able to click in here. Well, I'm not able to type in there. I can click in it, but it's not letting me type. I can check my tab stops by hitting tab. Everything seems to work. So logically the program works, plus all the other things seem to work. Now I just got to test my close button. And my program works. So this is an important program because we now see how in code we can change what's happening on the form. And really the fundamental way we do that is using this assignment statement. Because you can see that this is an assignment statement, this is an assignment statement, this is an assignment statement. And even this, even though it's really long, this is an assignment statement. You have an equal sign. This gets turned into a value, a number, that ultimately gets assigned in here. So the assignment statement is really, you're going to be doing a lot of assignment statements in programming. Most of your programming will be some variation on an assignment statement. So that is it for the discount program. So you should have your program working. If your program is not working and if you don't have these comments, then you want to come in for AIM support. If you come in on Friday, Ms. Weber should be there able to help you. I will be there again starting on Monday. But you should have this program completed. That's Mr. Haller signing off.